and welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we're going to be talking about how do you manage when you have ideas that kind of pop into your head no matter where you are or what you're doing, or ideas that just kind of inconveniently just kind of appear in your head. Well, me and my mom often talk about how art sometimes is about getting out of your own way. And sometimes it's a good idea to make idea generation a priority and let it be convenient. And one of the things that I suggest is keeping sketchbooks everywhere. In your glove box, in your nightstand. I've even got one in my kitchen, in my kitchen island. Of course, in the studio, in my purse. So if I'm having a funny conversation with friends over lunch, you know, I can jot some stuff down. Ideas don't always have to be visual concepts. Sometimes it can just be a random idea in your head. And I find that as the years pass by, they're a little harder to keep track of upstairs. So if you have sketchbooks and journals and stuff like that at the ready where you can either jot down a quick idea or put together a couple of words or just sketch something out very quickly, you can come back to it later when you have more time to refine it. But just getting that idea on paper is the most important part. So make sure you got a sketchbook everywhere you go so that when ideas manifest, good ones or bad ones, you can call through for quality later, but make sure you have some way to jot them down. And enjoy!